Welcome back to Auto Fusion, your home for the hottest cars of today and the most futuristic machines of tomorrow. And today, we're taking a deep dive into something truly mind-blowing, Chevrolet Corvette Zora. This isn't just another sports car, it's a glimpse into the future of American performance. The Corvette has always been America's sports car, but the Zora takes things to an entirely new level. Named after Zora Arkus Duntov, the legendary engineer often called the father of the Corvette, the Zora is the ultimate evolution of what a Corvette can be. While the Stingray gave us a taste of mid-engine performance, and the ZR6 and ZR1 pushed the limits of speed, the 2040 Zora goes where no Corvette has ever gone before. Let's talk design first. At first glance, the 2040 Zora looks like a car straight out of science fiction. The front fascia is razor-sharp, with ultra-thin adaptive LED laser headlights that seem to pierce the road ahead. The body is sculpted with flowing aerodynamics, featuring active aero panels that shift and adapt in real time to optimize drag and downforce. The roofline is sleek and low, flowing into a dramatic rear with a massive active wing that adjusts on the fly. And because this is 2040, much of the Zora's skin is made of self-healing nanocarbon fiber, a material that not only reduces weight, but can literally repair minor scratches and chips on its own. The Zora isn't just beautiful, it's functional. Every vent, curve, and surface has been designed for maximum performance. Hidden in the body are micro-turbines that channel air for cooling and aerodynamics. And even the wheels feature adaptive blades that adjust, depending on whether the car needs speed or efficiency. It's a perfect blend of art and engineering. Inside, the Zora is just as futuristic. The cabin feels like a fighter jet cockpit fused with a luxury lounge. The steering yoke is compact, with holographic displays projecting your speed, navigation, and performance data directly into your field of view. The seats are adaptive. They contour to your body, adjusting firmness and support based on your driving style. The infotainment system is fully AI-driven, learning your habits, predicting your routes, and even coaching you on track driving. Instead of traditional screens, everything is projected as augmented reality overlays, creating an experience that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. Now, let's get to the part everyone wants to know. What's under the skin? The 2040 Corvette Zora isn't just a car, it's a technological powerhouse. At its heart is a quad-motor electric system paired with a solid-state battery pack that delivers mind-blowing numbers, over 1,500 horsepower and instant torque to all four wheels. But Chevy didn't stop there. The Zora also features a micro-turbine hybrid system that can recharge the batteries on the go, extending range and giving the car endurance for long drives. Performance? Absolutely insane. 0 to 60 happens in just 1.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars on the planet. The top speed? Over 280 miles per hour, thanks to advanced aerodynamics and power delivery. But what makes it truly special is the control. With torque vectoring, adaptive suspension, and AI-assisted handling, the Zora feels planted, stable, and confidence-inspiring even at the limit. It's raw speed, married to intelligence. One of the Zora's most talked-about features is its driver AI partnership mode. Instead of autonomous driving taking over completely, the AI works with you. It can suggest braking points, adjust traction mid-corner, or even show you the ideal racing line on the windshield display. It's not about replacing the driver, it's about enhancing the driver. Of course, Corvette fans care about emotion too. Chevy has engineered the Zora to deliver sound and feeling. While it's an electric powerhouse, it features a synthesized exhaust system tuned to replicate the deep, thunderous growl of classic V8 Corvettes, blended with futuristic tones that rise as you accelerate. It's a symphony of past and future every time you step on the throttle. So, who is the 2040 Corvette Zora for? It's for those who want the ultimate American hypercar, a machine that can compete with anything from Ferrari, Bugatti, or Tesla while staying true to Corvette's DNA. It's bold, it's futuristic, and it represents everything Zora Arkus Duntov dreamed the Corvette could become. The Zora is more than just a car. It's a statement. A statement that even in 2040, passion, innovation, and performance still matter. It proves that the Corvette legacy is alive and stronger than ever, and it dares to lead the way into the future. That wraps up our look at the 2040 Chevrolet Corvette Zora. What do you think? Has Chevy just built the ultimate hypercar of the future, or is this too wild for Corvette's DNA? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Fusion for more incredible car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.